Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We are doing another unboxing. I know, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I've got too many plants coming in the mail. It's about to be a cold front. I am really taking a risk here, but this package is actually from Homestead Plants. I love this little stampy stamp here. It looks real fancy and nice. She is actually a new plant shop specializing in Hoyas. She has some really cool stuff on her site right now. She did send me this package for free, but of course I'm going to be reviewing the packaging and everything, and I'm super excited to get into it because I have no idea what's in this box. I have absolutely no idea what's on this box. I kind of just told her to surprise me, and so she sent me something. It got here ridiculously fast. I was really angry because the stupid postman just left it at my door and didn't even knock. So it was outside for like an hour, so boo for that. But again, I am going to be doing a live on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely do so you get like first look at my unboxings, and you get a live and you get some question and answers. It's real fun, but yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the box. Wow, okay, so the inside looks very bubble wrapped. And again, she has like a little note in here, and she has her business card. So I love this kind of packaging. This business card is so nice too. It is Homestead Plants, like I said, and she does have a ton of really cool Hoya. She wrote me this little note, and again, like a thank you card. Wow, so nice. But this is what's inside. This is what it's looking like. And like, wow, it's like really packaged up. Super bubble wrapped. Seriously, look at how like nice and snug and wrapped up these are. Wow. We got two of them. You know, I haven't unboxed like a multiple Hoya like box, I think, ever. I usually only buy like one plant and then unbox it. So it's exciting. Y'all are gonna get two today. I think that this is the clandestina. I think it's the clandestina. Wow. Oh, my eye just twitched because of how pretty this is. Do you guys see this leaf? Oh my gosh. Do you see? I don't think you can see like I don't think you can really see the veining that's in it, but it looks like almost like a reptile type veining. This leaf looks so nice. Like, it looks so nice. It's like insane. So there is new growth right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, like in the very middle, and it looks very like intact. It doesn't look like the shipping made it sad or anything. It's so nice. Like, it's so nice. Like, thank you. But yeah, okay, so this is the first one. Let me put it like right here in view. Let me see if I can put it in view. There. I need like more big leaf Hoya in my collection. I don't have that many big leaf Hoya in my collection. I pretty much just have my Plantiflebia and my like Sarawak, but I don't really have that many other ones. So I'm hoping that this one will get nice and big. Okay, so this one I think is the fuscomarginata, and I think that just based on the margin that it has, it's a crazy leaf. It's like super crazy. Like, it's huge. Like, look at it next to my head. Like, wow, that's crazy. It even reminds me almost like of a whale fin because of how like erect it is. But it is so cute. It's literally so pretty. I got some wish list plants. I'm super duper thankful to Homestead Plants. Again, she is having a restock on Thursday, and like I said, she has some really cool plants like on her Instagram, like as a sneak peek of what she's selling. So definitely go and check her out. I hope that these unboxing videos aren't getting annoying for you, but I do think I have like another one in the future. These plants were literally amazing. Like, look, I still can't believe how huge that leaf is. Like, it looks so stinking cool. I love it. I love this one too. This one is just so long and pretty. I just can't believe it. I really am super thankful that Victoria was able to send me these plants. Again, she did send them to me for free, but I mean, like, I think you can tell, like, by the health of the plant and also like the packaging that you're gonna be in good hands, I think, if you order from her. So check out her restocks for sure. Follow her on Instagram to see the sneak peeks of the future plants that she'll have in stock. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!